What's the meaning of aggro? Aggro. 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 In gaming and online slang, aggro is short for aggravation or aggression. It refers to the act of intentionally provoking an NPC, non-player character, or another player in a game to attack you. This can be done to gain an advantage in combat or to move the enemy away from an objective. Aggro can also be used to describe a situation where a person or group becomes hostile and confrontational. In general, aggro results in increased conflict and tension, and should be avoided in most situations.